Hey guys, it's your girl Renee from Renee's Garden. As you can see, I am at Lowe's, but this is what I wanted to try to tell you. They have a sale 5 for 5 on their herbs and their vegetables. So this is what you need to look for because they have another sale going that is for 3 for 12, I do believe, and that's on the herbs and the vegetable plants as well. But what I always tell you, my followers, is to look around the whole entire garden sections. Look in the corners because that's where they put all the great deals, are in the little corners where they don't want you to go back there. Mine was back, way in the back, where they used to put the basket, and they had racks and racks of these plants. So this is what you look for. So they're going to be in a white pot like this, and it's going to be the Fairy Morris, and it's got to have the tag 298 on it. They'll be in the white containers, and they'll also be in these green containers. You see right here? So it's green, and it still has the price of 298, and they're the Fairy Morris. Make sure it's 298 because these are 5 for 10, and that's a fantastic deal. So I was able to get some. I think this is oregano because I want to try some oregano. I got some cucumbers because I have some of my cucumbers growing, but they're not big enough yet. And these have already been hardened off, so I can put these in my garden today. And then I have the basil right here, and then I have some cherry tomatoes, and I also have like I think these are like the bigger, like the steak potatoes. And then I was able to purchase a couple of orange peppers here. And this is what the sign will look like on the flats, just like this. See, those are the orange marmalade peppers. So I got a flat of those. So I'm just trying to tell you, look in the corners of Lowe's because that's where you will find these great deals. Okay, you guys? I will tell you more when I get in the car. Hey, you guys, so your girl is looking like a hot mess. I got my little cute little shirt on. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll show you. My little girl on it that I love to wear. She's so pretty. But anyway, whew, I'm out of breath. I'm tired because, like I said, Lowe's has a good deal on. They also have flowers in there for 5 for 5. So you can get like the vincas, you can get coleus, you can get the pansies, and I think they have some begonias in there. So look for those because those are not well, at least not in my Lowe's. I can't say in all Lowe's that that's how the plants will be. I'm just saying you have to look because for some reason they are trying to move us to the higher price items versus giving us the deals for 5 for 5, 5 for 10, like the herbs and vegetables. Because when I first saw those 3 for 12, I was like, what? I came specifically for those, that deal 5 for 10, because I want to plant a lot of peppers. Between my peppers and these ones, a little bit that I just purchased from Lowe's, I needed them to have this deal because I wanted to load my garden up with peppers and food and herbs. So I'm growing a lot this season because my family needs a lot this season. So that's what my intentions was, to grow as much food as I could in my garden this season. So I said, hey, Lowe's has a great deal, and I don't think this sale goes off until like the 6th or 8th of what is it, May? Yeah, of May, I do believe. Yeah, of May. So get on down there. I'm gonna get this video out as soon as I get home. I'll put it out so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And as I'm telling you, at Lowe's, as you guys can see, and there's a lot of cars and stuff in the parking lot. So make sure you get there and get your deals. I'm just, because I'm always in the streets looking for deals and try to find some things that I know you guys would be interested in knowing about. And I'm your girl. I'm Renee, your street reporter on all the gardening deals or anything on the kind of deals that I think you would be interested. I'm your girl. I should have a microphone saying, "This is Renee from Renee's Garden Adventure. I am your reporter of the YouTube streets, getting out here trying to find these fantastic deals for my fellow gardeners." So listen up, you guys. The deal of the day is Lowe's. They have vegetables and they have herbs, 5 for 10, and they originally $2.98. So get on out there and grab these deals. All right, this is your girl reporting from Lowe's, letting you know it's time to save some money. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. Like I said, I'll get this out as soon as I get home so you guys can get into your Lowe's garden centers and get these deals. And I think I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to look at the flowers. So I'm definitely going to be here tomorrow because I need to get my flowers in the my garden as well, because I want to draw in more pollinators because I have so much vegetables and food growing this season. I need to welcome them, even though those bees have been something else, but the girl never gives up. I've got to learn to coexist with nature, which I'm trying, and I'm trying to distract them with some beautiful flowers. So they'll go over there, pollinate them, and then they'll come pollinate my vegetables. So that will make them grow, and I can have some fantastic food for this gardening season. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. Get to your Lowe's so you can get these deals. All right, talk to you later. Love you much. And this is your girl Renee from Renee's Garden Adventures telling you happy gardening. See you next time.